Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to swap USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet using a simple and effective method. If you've tried Trust Wallet's built-in swap feature, you might have noticed that USDT to TRX conversion is not available. But don't worry, I'll guide you through an alternative method using PancakeSwap to get it done smoothly. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Trust Wallet and log in. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone. If you have security settings enabled, enter your passcode or fingerprint to unlock your wallet. Once logged in, you will see your wallet balance on the main dashboard. Step 2. Check the swap feature in Trust Wallet. Tap on the Swap tab at the bottom of the screen. In the From section, tap the drop-down arrow and search for USDT. You will notice that USDT does not appear in the search results. Next, try searching for TRX in the To section, but it is also not available. This confirms that Trust Wallet's built-in swap feature does not support USDT to TRX conversion. But don't worry, we will now use PancakeSwap to complete the transaction. Step 3. Open PancakeSwap in Trust Wallet. Go back to the main screen of Trust Wallet. Tap on the Discover button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type PancakeSwap and hit Enter. Once the PancakeSwap website loads, you will see the swap interface. Step 4. Connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. Tap on the Connect Wallet button at the top. Select Trust Wallet from the list of supported wallets. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect your wallet. Tap Approve. Now your Trust Wallet is linked to PancakeSwap. Step 5. Select USDT and TRX for swapping you. In the From section, tap Select Currency and choose USDT. In the To section, tap Select Currency and choose TRX. After selecting both currencies, you will see the exchange rate displayed. Step 6. Complete the swap tap on the Swap button at the bottom. Review the conversion rate and transaction fee before confirming. Tap Confirm Swap, and Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction. Once approved, wait for the transaction to process. After a few moments, your USDT will be swapped into TRX and will appear in your Trust Wallet. That's it! You have successfully converted USDT to TRX in Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.